You don't have a designer or a big budget? Good news! Today, artificial intelligence can create stunning, brand-ready logos in just minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI tools to design the perfect logo, step by step, even if you've never designed anything before. Start with a free or freemium AI logo generator. Some of the best ones right now are Looka, BrandCrowd, LogoAI, and Design Hill. Let's take Looka as an example. Just enter your brand name, choose your industry, and pick a few style preferences, like modern, minimalist, or vintage. AI instantly generates dozens of logo concepts based on your choices. You can preview how your logo looks on business cards, websites, or social media, all automatically. No Photoshop, no Illustrator, just smart AI design. Once you find a design you like, click to customize it. Change the colors, fonts, icons, or layout, all with simple drag and drop controls. Most AI logo makers are trained on thousands of design principles, so the colors and spacing automatically stay balanced. Want your logo to feel more premium? Try gold gradients, sleek sans serif fonts, or symmetrical layouts. AI helps you do this instant, and it actually looks professional. Here's a pro tip: combine multiple AI tools for even better results. Use Canva AI or Kill AI to refine your logo and add finishing touches like shadows or textures. Or run your logo through remove.bg to make it transparent for free. You can even upscale it to HD using upscale.media or Let's Enhance, both free online tools. With this combo, you'll have a crisp, studio-quality logo ready for print or digital use. Don't just design one logo, make 3 or 4 versions. Test them on social media, your website, or your business card mockups. AI makes it easy to tweak fonts and color palettes until you find the perfect fit for your brand identity. So that's it, in just a few minutes, you can create a professional logo powered by AI. No designer, no software, no stress, just your ideas, turned into visuals by artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.